Foreign brands may dominate the skies, but these American-made drones are changing the game. Here are the top 5 American-made drones of 2026. Number 5. Anafi USA. Starting the countdown is the Anafi USA, a compact yet highly capable drone built specifically for demanding professional operations. Despite its lightweight design, this aircraft packs technology that far exceeds what most consumer drones can offer. Weighing only around 500 grams, it delivers up to 32 minutes of flight time while remaining highly portable. Its weather-resistant construction allows it to operate in challenging environments, making it suitable for emergency response teams and infrastructure inspections. One of its biggest strengths is its imaging system. Equipped with a powerful thermal camera alongside an impressive 32x zoom camera, operators can inspect buildings, monitor search and rescue operations, or observe distant objects without putting personnel at risk. Security is another major advantage. The aircraft uses encrypted communications and secure software architecture, making it suitable for sensitive operations where data protection is essential. Compared to other American-built enterprise drones, this model is also one of the more affordable options, generally costing between $6,000 and $10,000, depending on the configuration and accessories. For organizations looking for a lightweight yet highly secure professional drone, this aircraft delivers excellent value. Number 4. Easy Aerial SAMS-T. At number 4 is a drone built with one purpose in mind: continuous aerial surveillance. Unlike conventional drones that must land once their batteries are depleted, this aircraft offers something few others can match: a tethered power system. Connected to a ground power source, it can remain airborne for extended periods, making it ideal for monitoring borders, large public events, industrial facilities, and critical infrastructure. When operating on battery power alone, it delivers approximately 35 to 45 minutes of flight time. It can reach speeds of nearly 65 miles per hour while carrying payloads weighing over 4 pounds, allowing operators to install advanced cameras, sensors, and communication equipment. Its rugged, weather-resistant airframe is built to operate in difficult conditions, giving security teams reliable aerial coverage regardless of the environment. This isn't designed for recreational flying. It's a professional surveillance platform created for missions where constant aerial visibility can make all the difference. Number 3. Freefly Astro Prime. Taking the third spot is one of the most sophisticated aerial imaging platforms produced in the United States. The Astro Prime combines a rugged professional airframe with an incredibly powerful full-frame camera system capable of producing ultra-high-resolution imagery for mapping, surveying, engineering, and industrial inspections. Without additional payloads, the aircraft can remain airborne for approximately 38 minutes. Even while carrying heavy professional equipment, it still delivers impressive endurance, making it an ideal solution for demanding commercial operations. Its modular design allows operators to quickly swap payloads depending on the mission, whether capturing detailed aerial maps, inspecting infrastructure, or gathering thermal data. The platform adapts easily to different industries. The drone also supports advanced mission planning software, enabling automated flight paths, real-time telemetry, and live camera feeds for remote operators. Naturally, this level of performance comes at a premium. Depending on the configuration, pricing typically starts around $27,000 and can climb significantly with specialized payloads. For professionals who demand uncompromising image quality and mission flexibility, this platform stands among the best American-made drones available today. Number 2. Vantage Robotics Trace. Taking the second position is one of the smallest yet most advanced drones ever developed in the United States. At first glance, its compact size might make you underestimate its capabilities, but this aircraft was engineered for situations where stealth, speed, and intelligence matter more than raw size. Weighing just over 150 grams, the drone is small enough to fit inside a pocket, allowing operators to deploy it within seconds. Despite its lightweight frame, it can remain airborne for up to 30 minutes, delivering exceptional endurance for a drone in this class. Its camera system combines a high-resolution imaging sensor with thermal infrared technology, allowing operators to identify heat signatures, monitor structures, or conduct nighttime surveillance. The stabilized gimbal ensures smooth footage while giving the camera a wide range of movement for maximum visibility. Another impressive feature is its intelligent obstacle avoidance system. The aircraft continuously analyzes its surroundings, helping it navigate through tight spaces with minimal pilot input. Security is also a major priority. The drone is built using encrypted communications and secure operating systems that meet strict government standards. These features make it an excellent choice for law enforcement, emergency response teams, and organizations that require reliable and protected aerial intelligence. Although its compact design is remarkable, the technology inside comes at a premium. Depending on the package, pricing generally falls between $9,000 and $11,000. For users who need maximum capability in the smallest possible platform, this drone proves that size doesn't determine performance. Number 1. Skydio X10. Claiming the number 1 position is the most intelligent American-made drone currently available in 2026. Rather than relying solely on pilot skill, this aircraft uses advanced artificial intelligence to make decisions in real time. Multiple navigation cameras constantly scan the environment, allowing the drone to detect obstacles from every direction while automatically adjusting its flight path. One of its most impressive capabilities is autonomous flight in complete darkness. Using infrared sensing technology, it can continue navigating safely even when there is virtually no visible light, making it highly effective for emergency response, search and rescue operations, infrastructure inspections, and nighttime missions. Performance is equally impressive. The aircraft offers approximately 40 minutes of flight time, reaches speeds of around 45 miles per hour, and features a rugged weather-resistant design, capable of operating in challenging environments. Connectivity is another area where it stands out. With support for advanced communication systems, operators can maintain reliable control over long distances while receiving secure live video and flight data. Its onboard computing power functions like a miniature supercomputer, processing massive amounts of information every second. Instead of simply responding to pilot commands, the aircraft predicts obstacles, identifies safe flight paths, and continuously adapts to changing environments. This level of autonomous intelligence places it among the most advanced drones produced in the United States. Of course, innovation comes with a significant investment. Depending on the payload and configuration, the price generally ranges between $15,000 and $18,000. For organizations that require cutting-edge AI, autonomous navigation, and enterprise-grade reliability, this drone currently represents the benchmark for American-built aerial technology.